Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Chaseathon platform from logging in and forming your team to registering for a hackathon, uploading your project, exploring resources, and more. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website and choose Sign Up here if you are new. You have to enter your necessary details and then you have to create your account. If you're already registered, click sign in or log in here, enter your credentials and hit submit to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you are taken to your personal dashboard. Here you will see the available hackathons, your teams and the live events. Also, if you scroll it down, you can see your created teams, hackathons you are registered for, or the available hackathons you can register. To participate, you first need to create your team. So you have to click on this create your team, enter your team name, some description and your team size and click the create team. You can invite your friends or team members via their email addresses. As you can see now my team is created, and to add my team members I can just enter their email addresses or their username and search for them and add. See, it's added. Now next go to the hackathon available hackathon section. You can see the hackathon here. Just click on it. We'll get to know all the details about the hackathon, like its information, schedule, prize pools, rules, etc. And when you're ready, hit the register team and you'll get to register. See, my registered hackathon. Now after registration, when you open this page, you'll get the option to give us the link of your test repositories, and also if your repository is private then you have to give us the token. Like for example, if I hunted anything like this and save, this will be saved here, and basis that we will judge you. Important point to note, the repository link can only be added by the team leader. Once the repo is linked, make sure your team pushes code daily. Every commit you make will directly improve your ranking and score on the platform. So, stay consistent, keep contributing, and watch your team climb the leaderboard. Now, need help or want to learn more? Visit the resources section here. Here you will find guides, tutorials, and more. We will be uploading soon. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up, form a team, register, collaborate, submit your project, and access resources, all within the Chaseathon's platform. Best of luck and happy learning.